other stations. I've got one in the Rockcliffe Donga, Charleston Falkfield boundary. I've got two. The stations alliance have got 3 buffalo. Oh, now they've got 1, going back to 3. Yes, I can't get an angle wide enough to get them all. Yeah, come straight here. Charleston Falkfield boundary, Rockcliffe Donga. We're on the road.
So they're going to come to his rescue?
They're going to try. Yes, make your way, make your way, make your way. The stations alliance, we've got 2 buffalo. They're both in the Charleston Falkfield boundary next to one another in the Rockcliffe Donga. They're trying, but it's dangerous for them as well. But yeah, they've got this buffalo, and then there's the second one up over there in the bushes.
Did they get that one over there in the trees?
Look there.
Oh, down to the count.
So you can see there's some more buffalo coming to. They're trying to rescue each other. See, the one got away. There's been one lion over there with that one buffalo.
Yes.
And the buffaloes haven't even noticed it, but that. You're replacing Reggie? But yeah, that one that went into rescue is now, well, yeah, he's got some backup.
And this one's dead for sure now.
Yeah, it looks like this one is tickets. Lions are running after the buffalo up there again.
That's a brave guy.
Uh-oh, now they're all falling down. And this one guy's gonna make it so that dead one doesn't go anywhere. With them, I would just get that. No, that's why I can. It brought all these lions.
Yeah. I'll have to get back to you.
That guy's very brave. Stupid. He's big.
You can see the adult lions aren't really
Why don't they
getting involved here, but the young lions, this is like bordering onto a game for them at the moment.
Will they try and carry their...
See the mom at the bottom there is just like, meh, not worried.
Oh, that one turned right around. He's a little chicken.
But just so you're aware, this is one of the most spectacular sightings I've had this year.
Oh, wow. I just want to lose it. I don't know what. Yeah, it is crazy. This guy is. It's jokes. That guy's the bravest of them. Oh, it's a lot more television than I did.
Look, we're going to feed him. He keeps getting closer.
Let's see what they do now.
It's like the buffaloes know that he's a lost cause.
Yeah,
They're
it might be
they're
getting
gonna
to
let
that
him
point
away.
now, yeah.